Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Innens wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit, a versatile solution for streaming video and audio wirelessly. This kit supports 4K resolution at 30 Hz, making it a great choice for various applications. Whether you're into gaming, office presentations, or home theater setups, this might be the device you're looking for. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design, eliminating the need for expensive and inconvenient cables. The setup takes about 20 seconds, and you're good to go. I tested it with my laptop, PC, smartphone, and gaming consoles like Xbox, PS4, and even PS5. The 98-foot wireless transmission range provides flexibility, but do note that signal distance can be reduced when working through walls. The performance is impressive, delivering crystal clear, uncompressed HD video and digital audio with minimal latency, even when streaming 4K 3D content. The dual antenna design ensures a faster and more stable 5G transmission. I appreciate the stylish design with an aluminum alloy frame, acrylic glass cover, and a cool lighting effect. It's a portable transmitter that doesn't take up much space, perfect for crowded conference rooms or sharing between different devices. One thing to keep in mind is that this kit supports a maximum resolution of 1920 x 1080p when working with Blu-ray and gaming consoles. Also, make sure to remove the protective film before using. In summary, the Innens wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit is a reliable and stylish option for those seeking wireless streaming solutions. If you have any questions or face installation issues, the customer support is there to help. So, is it worth it? Let's find out. If you've tried this kit or have any thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.